Meanwhile, in the shunting yard, Dwee, Alexia, and Ida were discussing the goodbye party for tomorrow. Mrs. Berman is going home tomorrow afternoon. You're right, said Alexia. She is. We have to say goodbye tomorrow, said Ida. Meanwhile, Diesel was loading hopper cars with coal. But Maladora was evil, so she stole them on purpose. Here are my hopper cars. I'll deliver the coal all together for myself, she said. And she pushed them out of the way. Then she let go of them. Ha ha! There's my hopper cars! Choo choo! And then they rolled. Then they rolled down the hill non-stop. Right toward the shunting yard where the cars were being loaded. And then it was too late! That was unexpected, puffed Dwee. Then Lindsay arrived. No one had been hurt, but the cars were derailed and crashed into the building. I'll deliver these cars back to safety, Lindsay said. Meanwhile, Trissa was delivering fuel to the airport. There's my load, Trissa said. Then another engine shunted more tank cars of fuel, and they coupled up to the heavy wagons with a thunk. They were soon coupled up. Then Lee's delivered some empty wagons. All set and ready to go, she said. Then Maladora came up. Here's the bomb, she said. I'm the airport bomb from the fire in the movie theater. Haha, that's it, said Slimy Fighter. I'll do that too. Don't dare say bomb in the airport. It's a trigger word, said the police. Shut up! Yelled Maladora, and she biffed the freight cars very hard. No one wants to make me do that, she said. Someone will